Hi there. Check out the Classic Accessories Ravenna Quilted Double Hammock, measuring 81 by 55 inches for ultimate comfort. This hammock features a curved spreader bar that provides natural support for a relaxing experience. Made with water-repellent, solution-dyed woven polyester, it's perfect for outdoor use on your patio or in your backyard. The full length with ropes extends to 140 inches, comfortably supporting up to 450 pounds. Its durable 100% bamboo folding spreader bar separates at the center for easy packing and storage. Plus, it comes with a convenient fabric bag that has a shoulder strap for effortless transport. Enjoy relaxation with a hammock designed for comfort and durability, backed by a 1-year limited warranty. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.